Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitLab CI for Kubernetes releases, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate GitLab CI for Kubernetes releases, first, ensure that you have a GitLab account. Next, create a new project or open an existing one in GitLab. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon. Under the settings menu, select CI/CD from the list. In the CI/CD settings, look for the variables section. Here, you will need to add Kubernetes credentials. Click on Add Variable to input your credentials. For the key, enter kubo_context. For the value, provide the context of your Kubernetes cluster. Next, add another variable for the cluster server URL. Set the key to kubo_server and the value to your Kubernetes API server URL. Now, you need to configure the Kubernetes service. Go to the Kubernetes option under the Settings menu. Click on Add Kubernetes Cluster. Fill in the cluster name and any other required fields. Ensure you input the API URL and the token if needed. After configuring the cluster, navigate to your repository's root directory. Create a new file named .gitlabci.yml. This YAML file will define the continuous integration pipeline for your project. In this file, start by specifying the stages of your pipeline. Add a stage for building your Docker image. Next, add a deployment stage specific to Kubernetes. Define the job for building the Docker image. Use the image keyword to specify a Docker image for the build environment. Then, add commands to build and push the Docker image to your container registry. Following the build job, define the deployment job. Set the stage to deployment and reference the Kubernetes cluster. Use the kubectl command to apply your Kubernetes manifests. Make sure to reference the correct namespace in your deployment command. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.